Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to calculate percentage of price in calculator. So guys, for example, you like an item and the price of that item is 12,000. Okay, and there is 18% off on that price. Now how you can calculate the percentage of price? We divide this into three-step process. In the first step, we divide this 18 because we have 18% off. So we divide this 18, we divide it with 100. Then we press equal. So our answer is 0.18. Okay, in the second step, we multiply this 0.18 with 12,000, which was our price. Okay, so multiply by 12,000 and then we press equal. Okay, so our answer is 2160. Now in the last step, we subtract this 2160 with our price, which was 12,000. So what we will do is we type here 12,000 minus 2,160. Okay, so our answer will be 9,840. So guys, this is our percentage of price. Okay, so this is how you can calculate any percentage of price on your calculator. So for example, I have some amount. Let's say I like an item and the price of that item is 5,000. Okay, and there is like a 15% off. Okay, so 15% off on that price. Now how you can calculate? So very simple. First you divide this 15 with 100, then press equal and then multiply it with 5,000. Okay, our answer is 750. Now subtract this minus this 750 with 5,000. So 5,000 minus 750 and then press equal. So here is our answer. So 4,250 is the percentage of price. So guys, this is how you can calculate any percentage of price on your calculator. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.